from Motorsport Masters, showing off our new monstrosity of a build that we just did. It's a 22 Polaris Pro R. We did a whole new HCR upper and lower control arms, complete revalve spring kit with Walker Evans. This guy really likes to go hard on this thing, so they valved it for him. Be able to do that, handle everything out here in Colorado. We got shock therapy, beefed up tie rods, Packard wheels, all billet, pretty badass. Sector 7 mirrors with the lights and the Baja Designs, the Squadron Sports. Heretic light bar in the front here, integrated into this with the HMF bumper, exoskeleton, the whole thing. We got ABF sliders, powder coated to match, back into the HCR trailing arms that are beefed up. We got these powder coated with the custom blue to match. These Packard wheels, beadlocks are paired up with these Maxima, these Rockzillas, 35-inch. Cageworks spare tire rack, the ZRP radius rod kit. Then we got the Rhino 2.0 axles all the way around. Alien lasers up here, mounted on this cage. We got this powder coated as well. It's got some flake in it, really pops in the sun. Finish out the whole lighting on this thing. We have some rock lights in all four corners, and then we got one behind this ABF vent as well. We got vents on the back too. It lights up the radiator really cool. We'll get a video at night too to show this thing off all lit up. Some TMW doors that came out super cool. The lines on these really line up really nice with the factory lines on the car too. And then inside we got their door bags as well. PRP seats, some custom these XCR suspension seats, super comfy. With their harnesses as well. They got these Old Glory, really cool designs with PRP. We got the Switch Pro 12 in here. We only have a few things on here right now, but he's got plenty to play with when he wants to add anything else to this car. And everything hooks up to your phone also, so you can remotely access it through their app. We'll get a video, like I said, with everything lit up, everything working at night. This 4Works scoop, it's all carbon. We debadged it to kind of match the rest of the car. There's usually a logo right here, but we think it looks really good. All debadged like this, and we also got a bent metal vented windshield on here as well. Keep some airflow in there, keep the dust out your eyes though. The list goes on with this thing. It's got a Chupacabra big mirror, so you can see what's going on behind him.